Sabi niya, sir, what made you succeed in Subi? The volunteers. That's what made the Red Cross succeed, the volunteers. And so today, when I think about that, I can look at practically every location here, and there will be a story with that. You know, yung story ni Seba, kasama ko siya doon. Yung umakit sa puno, sumabit yung bata, hindi mabitaw. And hold there, di ba Genevieve? Hold there, di ba tinanong ko siya yung number na si Genevieve?
Sir.
Di ba tinawagan ko ba? Nag-usap pa kami, pangako sa nilingan.
Yes, sir.
Did I use her in the campaign? I did not. And we were told the story to other people. In the Red Cross, you have so much to do, so much. You think our accomplishment is 10,000 or 11,000 houses in Isabela? Or 10,000 houses in the Metro Pagasios area, people? And the net, by the way, nung nakakampanya ko sa Presidente, nagsasalita ako sa people, may lumapit. Sir, isama ako, Lilibet. Dalawa kami. Kaya lang, may pamilya ako si Lilibet, wala. Kukunin nyo sana kami dalawa, pero may pamilya ako. Kinuha nyo si Lilibet. Sana sir, ako na lang kinuha nyo. Hirap na sila po ngayon. That's true. And then there was not many people come to you and say that. Or a woman in Legazpi, merong blood center ng gobyerno sa Albay. And this woman has a hospital. Mayaman. Her wealth couldn't get her to get blood. So she called my committee secretary in the Senate. I was no longer in the Senate. Ano mo si Sir? Tinawagan niya, I don't even know her. I said 10 bags of blood. Don't even know her. Don't count. But I said, somebody every day, people text me. I don't know them. In fact, if I show you a message how I can prove it to you. Pamibigay ko lang yan. Hindi ko kilala. Nasa Jose Reyes, Marno. They call me. They get my number. Somehow my number. Dati isa lang, dalawang number na lahat makakabali sa akin. And I don't mind. Every time somebody calls, is this somebody who needs help? So don't you think for one moment that what I did for Mr. Marazigan, I did because he was only in the Red Cross. I don't ever met him. Don't you think for one moment that I do so because nabangga ko lang. Ako, hindi ako soft. You know, I'm tough. Yesterday, nandun ako sa Manila. Bibigay kami sa sapatos, nahingi ko sa yan. Brand new shoes. In fact, my plan is, yun ang sabihin to, because sabi sa akin ng Koreano, bigyan mo yung staff. Mamili kayo, bago lang yung sapatos kung gusto nyo, but it's up to you. It's really nice looking shoes. Sabi ko, pinibili mo na. Yung nasa pinuhauta pa yan. Pagkaliwata pa yan. Nagkakapulo sila. Naisip ko, mapapahilang basa. So I go down. You're sick, you do this. Tigil kayo, para kayo. Lakad dito, ikaw ka na lakad dito. I spent 2 hours there. That's why I was late. Kasi yung kumain ng mali. And then I got mad at people. Tulong-tulong talaga yan pa. Lumabas ka din. Until everybody settled down, ang bilis ng volunteer partners. And then sabi ko, lahat ng volunteers related to partners. You know what? I saw them getting 3 pairs of shoes. Kinuha ko yung dalawa. Kinuha ko. Why? Because I'm a just person. Because I could give to somebody else. And you don't have to be selfish, even if you're poor. But then, sasabihin sa inyo, you belong to a big organization. I belong to that same organization. This is the grand campaign for me. It's up to you. I'm a Red Cross. I'm the pump. Kaya sinasabi ko, politiko ako. Of course I'm a politician. How can I serve if I'm not a politician? Conform is a politician. Kung ang politician mo, kaya mo tinutulong sa mga tao. At kung may camera lang, di mo papakita. The story is not about that. What we show when we have all these things being shown, yung amphibian, kita nyo yung mga sako, bigay 10 million. Hiningin ko yun. Now, when you put their name there, and I put my name there, it's because, mabibigyan ko na natin sa Ligordo ng ganun para malagay yung paa natin. Sa kanila ganun. And that's why today, practically, I can go to Compostela Valley. And I'll tell you, I'll go to the governor. The governor said, I need the garden. And I gave the garden. If somebody calls me yesterday, right? 2 days ago, Barangay San Miguel, Compostela. Sir, ba't ganun hindi kami nabibigyan? I call her, I text you, tingnan mo kung okay yan, kung talagang nahihirapan, kahit wala sa listahan natin. Okay. That's the way we are. We are not bureaucracy. So if you think I'm running because I want another position, you're mistaken. Many times when I run, I say, why should I run? Kasi namumuhi ako yung mga tao, hindi niya ka ng t-shirt. Ganyan ako. I cried. Sasalita na. Alam mo, ano ko, di akong gawa niya. Ito gagawin. Malakad na sa pick-up. Kumakawin na. Teacher, era. That's why we have lost our way. Pinaasa tayo ng pinaasa. Wala na tayong passion na. We can try to do that. How can we fight this? We can fight this in the Red Cross, in our own way. But the Red Cross is only our time. Somebody needs blood, somebody is in disaster, somebody has lost his life, somebody is here, somebody is there. That's where we are. And that's very, very important. I mean, when people's lives are shattered, I made that song. How's that? And they've lost the will to go on. Di ba? Nasabi natin. We're there for that. Now, I am going to go again back to politics. My politics is good. When I go there, I have millions of people. I did automated election law. I did tourism law. I did Wild Philippines. I did civic pay. And I made civic pay out of volunteers. As a mayor, and I lobbied for that. When people are killed, I need plebs. I'm not a senator, congressman, nakagawa ko ng batas na plebs. Now I'm running again. Why am I running? I want to take something of my election. Yes. I want to get jobs. Yun yung star nga. Big Gordon has a very good idea. Optimize our infrastructure. Tatlong airport, tatlong seaport. Maraming kalsada dyan sa San Luzon. Nagsisisingin nga sa uwi na. How many times? Ask them. I mean, San Jose del Monte. You know, bata ang nagluluto dahil magulang. Hindi na lang ma-afford ang mamamasahe sila araw-araw. From San Jose del Monte to Manila. Alam mo, mabayad ng tricycle. Isa na ba ibang bayad sa tricycle sa gabi? They leave at 4 o'clock in the morning. They arrive at night. Wala nang pahinga. Pero nakikita mo doon, nagluluto yung mga bata. Alam mo sa eskwela? 10-year-old, nagluluto kung pagkain ng kapatid. Para makakain ng alien at babalik sa eskwela. Because their parents cannot afford to stay with them. Para mabuhay sila, they have to work here in Manila. I cry about those things. And I said, we must do something about it. Then they tell me, kami pinakaroon ng bilang blood bank. Malagay na yung blood. Dito ay yung blood bank. Sabi pa, hindi ba? Gawin niya kagad. So my point to you is, it's every day of your life. You've got to make a difference. That's why, when I ran, when you have a relative who's past 35 years old, and she applies for work, and she says, okay, I'm applying for work, I'm skilled, and this and that. Nakita 35 years old, nasa this kanyang overage. Diba? Overage, right? Pero mag-work pa. Or pinagpinagpinagpinag ka, pangit mo, hindi gusto mo maganda. Well, one of the things that I do right is correct that. I file a bill that says, bawal yan, equal opportunity law ang gagawin natin para lahat ng mga tao magpapagawa. And when I do civic day, civic park in Manila, I'm gonna get jobs for everybody. Kaya ko yan. When I do tourism, nakakabang na bakit ang tourism nyo? Ang mga tao kulang ang foreign capitalists dapat natin. We must do all that. And when we say, hindi tayo manisapal-sapalin ng mga tinasama, dapat may Air Force tayo. Para paano hindi tayo manisapal-sapalin nila. I mean, these are the things that make for a platform. Kung hindi natin gagawin yan, hindi nyo itong lalaban yan. Then what's the point? Don't believe I can do it? No. But today, I want you to know, you have the right to vote. You have the right to tell somebody, I'm going to vote for Nick Gordon, he's my chairman. Hindi mo bago niya to vote for siya. You have the right to do that. Hindi nyo lang magigawin. At tayo kayo sa stage sa Red Cross. Ang Red Cross, nakakapahan namin tayo sa hindi pwede yan. Hindi ba nito? Of course, nagmamanayaw kayo ng pinta. Napadaan kayo, pumarap ka, bumaba sa Red Cross. Tulungan mo kayo siya. Oo, si Boss Consit. Nasa naman. Nasa naman yan. And accidental yun, di ba? Di ba? Accidental yun. So, to me, if you really think that you can make a difference, then you will do that. Remember, don't vote for me because I'm the chairman. That's your right. You have to believe. You have to believe. Nobody's forced around it. If you believe, you can make a difference. And I know most of you do. I believe you. I believe I can give you something that you think you cannot do, but you will. to. Hindi yung bigyan ko lang nila. Hindi, okay. Share mo na ito, lupa-lupa ito. Parang takbo mo na siya. And then, all of a sudden, when Jimmy Catilar comes to the other day and says, Boss, ang galing pala nila. Pag-raise na pala ng kondo. Kasama ang Pilipino, pagka sinabi ng bagong project ako, problema na naman yan. Hindi. Hanggang hindi niya nakikita nagagawa yan. Ano na mangyayari? Kung nagawa na, build na kayo sa sarili. Diba? I know you have an experience in that. Kaya hindi kayo sumalang, diba? Hindi niya may gano'n. I tell speak is strong. Speak to hulo-hulo. Go to